Morning folks, we're going to look at playing over major chords today using notes from the major pentatonic, but we're going to learn shapes rather than specific note names or fret positions. Welcome to part one of this shape-based approach to soloing and improvisation. All the examples today are in the key of D major, using notes from the major pentatonic and only strings 1 and 2 for this video. Shape 1 will start on a D note, but it's really about the shapes rather than specific notes or fret positions. We're starting with a 3-fret stretch on both strings. Just to clarify, that would be 1-fret stretch, 2-fret stretch, and a 3-fret stretch. So 3 frets on both strings is shape 1. Shape 2 will start where this one finishes. And this time we have a 2-fret stretch on both strings. So 3 frets to begin with, then 2 frets on both strings, and then the next shape starts where this one finishes, and this time we have 1 of each stretch, 3 frets, 2 frets. I would be very tempted to pause the video at that point, get these shapes under your fingers in both directions before we add the last 2 shapes. The last 2 shapes take us in the other direction. Rather than working towards the head of the guitar, we're now heading towards the pickups. That was our start point. 3 frets on both strings. We now need to do the next shape, which is 2 frets on both strings. And then the last shape is another staggered shape, 2 frets, 3 frets. Let's look at the full sequence in both directions. So descending, and ascending, once you've got the shapes under your fingers, you can change the note order. You can change the order that you play the shapes. It should all work, it should all fit.